Welcome to Chakwa International. I am Nilamarjana speaking. This is a somewhat advanced version of GATE aptitude. The first questions, what are the appropriate words related to grammatical aspect? The question number 1, best part of the program is dances. Here the best part, which is singular, so it is followed by a singular verb. Number 2, the professor as well as the students was placed with their results. Here as well as professor is a singular, so it also mentioned watch. Then because he was afraid of the defendant, he was unwilling to testify because the result is clear. So at the first part of the sentence provides a reason for his unwilling to testify because should be used. Then when you have good health, you should feel fortunate. When you have good health, you should feel fortunate. The pronoun should remain consistent throughout the sentence. Question number 5. Either you or he has to go. Either you or he means you have to use singular, has to go. Or you has to go. Then children begin by loving their parents. As they grow older, they judge them, sometimes they forgive them. Here the sentence has 3 different clauses. We should be separated by semicolon. This is a completely different type of questions. 3 clauses are there. It should be separated by semicolon. Then question number B. Here questions below consist of group or sentence followed by a suggested sequential arrangement. Select the best sequence. However, we selected D, B, A, C. D. Institutional truth of a financial world holds that association with money implies intelligence, and it holds broadly that greater the amount of money, greater the intelligence, and that pursuit money by whatsoever design with the law is always benign. The last sentence, this is the institutional truth of Wall Street. This you will be required to believe. Then question number 2. Here the answer is B. Advertising effectiveness can be best grasped intuitively on a per capita basis. Then it will C. Overall effectiveness is easily calculated by considering the number of buyers and the cost of advertising. Then D. Think of how much of your brand the average individual is buying now. The last sentence is then think of how much our advertising could increase the sales level. The option is C, B, C, D, A. B, C, D, A. Question number C. Each of these questions contains a sentence followed by 4 choices. Select the form among the choices, the one which most logically complete the idea contained in the given sentence. Here, the particularly today when so many difficult, complex problems face the human species, the development of broad, here the answer will be D. A broad and powerful thinking is desperately needed. Question number 2. In European community countries, there have been talk of energy tax to raise funds. Here there is no option. You have to again D, to search for alternative source of energy. Then question number D. Each of the sentence contains 6 statements followed by 4 set of combinations of 3. Choose the set which the statements are logically related. Option 1. Here some nurses are qualified. All nurses are attendants. Then some attendants are qualified. So B, D, F. That is option C. Then question number 2. Here a Mary is John's wife. Husband and wife dance to the last waltz, and John danced to the last with Mary. So here also option A, D, F. A. All vegetarians eat meat. Here then all those who eat meat are herbivorous and vegetarians are herbivorous. So if we go for the statement, no need what is the herbivorous or carnivorous. We go for the statement ACF. Then question number 4. Here all cranes are birds. That correct? Then all birds are yellow. Maybe as per the statement, all cranes are yellow. That is CDF. 4 statements of which blanks are given. These statements are followed by 4 alternatives. Choose the one which fits into said statement the maximum number of times. Here you see the option 1, privilege. Privilege can be used in A, B, D. Privilege can be used in A, become the privilege of the rich. B, has the privilege to speak. D, Sharon no longer has the privilege of company's bungalow. So A, B, D. Similarly, question number 2, disaster. A bad disaster, a people sense disaster, and then without warning disaster struck. D, disaster tragedy. Then disaster tragedy. A disaster can be to D, disaster tragedy. Dogs are fast to recognize a sign of incoming disasters. Here the cone volume is 1 by 3 pi square h, cylinder volume pi r square h. So cone is the cylinder 3 times more than the cone. So here the option is cylinder, cone and cylinder 1:3. I know option here 1:3. So go by the elimination process. So option A is no need to calculate the sphere because cone is cylinder 3 times more volume area volume than the cone. So 1 by 3. No need to option. Check the third. The budget allocation. Here the 60 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree. Here actually total angle is 360 degree. 60 means you have to divide by 1 by 6. So answer is already there. So what is the option? Agriculture, and option is agriculture is 6,000, defense 9,000, science and technology 6,000, infrastructure 4,500, education 4,500, small scale 6,000, small scale industry. Fill up the gap with the appropriate preposition. Stephanie feared to stay at railway station yesterday. Abhijit was compelled to avoid by the decision of management. Omkar is avoiding in my house for last 6 months. The teacher is angry at your way of questioning. The Pritam is angry for your wrongdoing. With this program finished. If you like, put a subscribe and put the bell icon. Thank you.